In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a Leadconduit Direct Post buyer setup. Here, we have an example of Leadconduit Direct Post API specs. At the top is the submission or posting URL. Copy this URL to paste into your LeadProsper campaign. Before clicking over to your campaign homepage, scroll down below the Fields section to get the request method and response type. Here you can see they strongly recommend using POST. The request will be a form query, and the response will be JSON. To the right, we have an example of the payload. Click over to the campaign homepage and paste in the submission URL. Then select Post as a request method and Form as the payload type. Next are fields. Since it's not listed which fields are required, pass all the fields that you have. You'll get the field names from the HTTP parameter column, so make sure your fields in the payload builder match the fields in this column. Once your payload builder is complete, it should resemble the one seen here. Below the payload builder, the header content type will automatically be added here once you select the payload type above. Finally, for response mapping for an accepted lead, the key will be outcome and the value will be success. The response mapping for a duplicated lead is now automatically filled out for you. As always, if the lead is not flagged as a success or a duplicate, LeadProsper will log it as an error. That's all there is to a Leadconduit Direct Post buyer setup. As always, if you have any questions, please use the support button or email us at support@leadprosper.io.